Hello everyone, welcome back to our maths class. Continue with chapter number 14, rupees and paise. Come on page number 194, shopping. So some things are given and price is written here. You can visit the self-service store. Question A. Without using a pencil or paper, find out the cost of. First, one ball and one toy car. So, one ball price is 7 and one toy car price is 15. So, 7 plus 15 is 22. So, here you have to write 22. Next. One notebook and two pencils. So, notebook price is 5 and 2 pencils. One pencil cost is 2 rupees 50 paise. So 2 pencil cost is rupees 5. So 5 plus 5 is rupees 10. So write here 10. 2 bananas and a glass of milk. The cost of banana is rupees 1 and 50 paise. We need 2 bananas. So price of 2 banana is rupees 3 and glass of milk is for rupees 3 and 50 paise. So 3 plus 3.50 is 6 rupees and 50 paise. Next, one doll and a ball. So doll price is rupees 8 and cost of ball is rupees 7. So 8 plus 7 is 15. So write here 15. This you have to do by yourself. Question B. Find out the total cost of one toy giraffe, one copy and a glass of lemon juice. Okay. Here the cost is given. You have to find this price from this list. Okay. One toy giraffe price is rupees 6 and 50 paise plus one copy price is rupees 5 and cost of lemon juice is rupees 3. Do addition. 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 plus 3 is 14. So our answer is rupees 14 and 50 paise. In addition of money, first you have to add paise, then you have to add rupees. One glass of milk, one packet of biscuits and a banana. So price of one glass milk is rupees 3 and 50 paise. One packet of biscuit price is rupees 4 and 50 paise and banana cost is rupees 1 and 50 paise. Do addition. 50 paise plus 50 paise means 1 rupees and here 50 paise. So 50 paise and 1 rupees we have to add in rupees. So 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Our answer is rupees 9 and 50 paise. Next, one notebook. So cost of notebook is rupees 5. 2 pencils price is rupees 5 and 2 eraser. One eraser is for 1 rupee. So 2 eraser price is 2 rupees. Do addition. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. So write here 12. This you have to do by yourself. Question C. What can you buy if you have a 20 rupees note? Here you have to write things which you can buy in amount of rupees 20. So here I can buy one ball, one doll and one glass of milk. Also I can buy one toy car, one toy giraffe and one glass of milk in 20 rupees note. These two you have to write by your own. Question number D. Do you need to make a cash memo for the things you? This activity you have to do by yourself. Now come on page number 196. Monu prepared the following cash memos. Check the cash memos and correct them if you find a mistakes. Here you have to check these 3 memos from this list. Okay. First, one bowl, 7 rupees, 3 pencils, 2 rupees and 50 paise, 5 toffees. The price is not written here, so you have to write the price of toffees is 50 paise. Now here you have to do an addition of rupees and paise. 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0. It is correct? Yes. 0 plus 5 is 5, 5 plus 5 is 10. 0 here carry over 1. 1 plus 7 is 8, 8 plus 7 is 15, 15 plus 2 is 17. This cash memo is correct. Now check second cash memo. One toy car. The price is not written, so write toy car price is rupees 15. 3 glass milk. So price of glass is rupees 3 and 50 paise. But here 50 paise is not written here, so write here 50 paise. 4 notebook price is rupees 5 and so 5 fours are 20, so paise is 0 0. Here 50 paise is written, so here you have to write 0. Addition, 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 5 is 5, 5 plus 0 is 5. 5 plus 0 is 5, 5 plus 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4. So total cost is rupees 45 and 50 paise. This you have to check by yourself. Add the following. Number A, rupees 12, 50 paise and rupees 13. Okay, first you have to add paise, then you have add the rupees. 0 plus 0 is 0, 5 plus 0 is 5. Don't forget to do dot here. 2 plus 3 is 5, 1 plus 1 is 2. Our answer is rupees 25 and 50 paise. Next, rupees 55, 50 paise plus rupees 14. 0 plus 0 is 0, 5 plus 0 is 5, 5 plus 4 is 9, 5 plus 1 is 6. Our answer is rupees 69 and 50 paise. Number C you have to do by yourself. Subtract the following. 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 5 is 0. 5 minus 1 is 4. 2 minus 1 is 1. Our answer is rupees 14. Number B. Rupees 103 and 50 paise minus rupees 62. 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. 3 minus 2 is 1. Now 0 minus 6, it is possible? No. So you have to take borrow 1 from 100 place column. So 1 becomes 0 and 0 become 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. And here nothing, so you have to consider 0. So 0 minus 0 is 0. So our answer is rupees 41.50. Number C you have to do by yourself. Number E. You have 30 rupees with you. Find out how much money will be left after buying the following items. 1 ball, 1 doll and one toy giraffe. So, cost of ball is rupees 7 plus cost of doll is 8 and cost of toy giraffe is rupees 6.50. Do a addition. First you have to add paise, so here only 50 paise is there, and now add the rupees. 7 plus 8 is 15, 15 plus 6 is 21. So our answer is 21 rupees 50 paise. Now you have to do a subtraction. You have 30 rupees notes, so rupees 30 minus rupees 21.50 is equal to, do a subtraction. You can do subtraction here. Rupees 30 minus rupees 21.50. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 5 it is not possible. So you have to take borrow from tens place column. So 0 become 9. This become 10 and 3 become 2. 0 minus 5. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 1 is 8. 2 minus 2 is 0. Our answer is 8 rupees 50 paise. So write here 8 rupees 50 paise. Next, 2 bananas, 1 pack of biscuit and 2 glass of lemon juice. So cost of 2 banana is rupees 3. 1 packet of biscuit cost is rupees 4.50 paise and glass of lemon juice is rupees 6. Do a addition. First 50 paise and then add rupees. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 6 is 13. Our answer is rupees 13.50 paise. Now you have to subtract 13 rupees 15 paise from the 30 rupees note. Do a subtraction here. Rupees 30 minus rupees 13.50 paise. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 5 it is not possible. So you have to take borrow from tens place column. So 0 become 9. Again you have to take borrow from 100 place column. So 3 become 2 and here 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 3 is 6. 2 minus 1 is 1. Our answer is rupees 60.50 paise. So write here rupees 16.50 paise. This you have to do by yourself. Here I am attaching a PDF file. You have to write down from the PDF. Bye bye students. Take care.